Alright. Got the keys this time. Every time. Every fucking time. I always straight up forget the keys to one of the fleet of vehicles that I own. Shit's retarded. Look both ways before you cross the road, motherfuckers. See? Fleet of vehicles. We got the carpentry Jeep and we got the 4Runner. Beep beep. We're doing big things. Big fucking things await us. We tired up in this bitch, but we making it work. Just to get the Civic back. Back on its own feet, motherfucker. Stay tuned for more insanity. Insanity.
I'm so lazy, I'm so tired, can't satisfy this desire. I'm so crazy, I'm so wild, hoping this will expire. I'm so lazy, I'm so tired, can't satisfy this desire. I'm so crazy, I'm so wild, hoping this will expire. Nature got a personality split. It bears life, but it also takes it. It's almost like when I try to stay positive, then the other part of me says to go kill a bitch. Suddenly people think addiction is a social media aesthetic. I don't get it, for me it's been a life sentence. Fuck it, we grew up out the shit like we fungus. Fuck all of this, I'm not here to impress. Go ahead and grimace, I don't make rap, I make sonnets. For my mental illness, there's a demon in my mind. Who am I? I'm the delinquent motherfucker with the bloodshot eyes. Stone till I die, I'm a one-man army. I don't need anybody, my life's been a tragedy and a comedy. Wow, it's a duality. Two-step me, now you're a dead body. I'm so lazy, I'm so tired, can't satisfy this desire. I'm so crazy, I'm so wild, hoping this will expire. I'm so lazy, I'm so tired, can't satisfy this desire. I'm so crazy, I'm so wild, hoping this will expire. Physical pain is a cakewalk. If your loved one dies, then y'all can no longer talk. Life's sick game of saying hop, get fucked. Man, grief is so fucked up. Only left with the memories of your loved one. My biggest pet peeve is this whole fucking life thing. A lot of these humans should not be breathing. I'm a sick fuck, living life with no fuck. Stone to the bone, I got issues. What the fuck is up? I will really fucking kill you. Medulla oblongata, drop a motherfucking never gone, just like my father. So many people scared of being microchipped, but you all carry one when you text and shit. Before the maggots take me whole, know that I never sold my soul, cause I didn't have one at all. I'm so lazy, I'm so tired, can't satisfy this desire. I'm so crazy, I'm so wild, hoping this will expire. I'm so lazy, I'm so tired, can't satisfy this desire. I'm so crazy, I'm so wild, hoping this will expire.
Lifted Heights.
Fucked around, got addicted to pills. Wasted my life, eating scripts like
piece of tape right now for me and tape this one so I don't waste $100 bill.
Consistent disappointment, haven't had many choices.
I need you to
but if I make
tape this and tag it as map sensor. This one and this one are identical, and it'll fucking fry out your map. That's what I did to the first one. This one here is the map sensor. Just put it on, That's the only one that I need to know. Thank you. Oh yeah, they cost you days of downtime. They no one got one.
Oh, they do, bro.
Yeah, you just gotta wait a week. Where'd them snips go? How did I even get this on there?
Hey, bro, this up here, okay?
Yeah, oh, I'd put that on the axle. Sweet, I can see my valves. Anyone got a flashlight? Yeah. I want to see if I can see any bent valves and see if it's a lost cause and I should take the motor out of my truck that I have an extra one of, or if this, or grab the extra head that I have.
And they opposite sides and opposite ends of the block to counteract the fucking balancing.
Yeah.
They're always one long at a time.
Even the fucking metal that I see on the inside. Let's take out the spark plug just for fun. Like, you look in there, nothing looks damaged.
No.
Looks good to me. Closed, 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 open. A wooden fucking block and some clay pellets.
Dries it right up.
Gone. That is just insane.
A little bit of elbow grease.
Yeah, fuck a broomstick. Try it at home. It works. I'm watching it right now.
Look at that, done.
It's fucking amazing.
You just scrape it around and keep this little dry dust over there.
You know, shoe marks, be gone. That asshole friend that tracks his feet prints in your garage, he can wash them away. Give him a wood block.
You can see it.
Yeah.